Bolt. Okay, it don't take much to loosen it. So you gotta be careful because it's gonna want to shoot out. So I kind of push inward as I turn it loose. Okay, there we go. Okay. Here's the oil pan drain bolt. Okay, it don't take much to loosen it. So you gotta be careful because it's gonna want to shoot out. So I kind of push inward as I turn it loose. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we'll go up top, we'll let it slowly drain. So we have 2 of these quarts of oil because it actually takes 6 quarts of oil. Generally, we gotta lift this up and then kind of pull it off the hinges back here. So we'll set this up in the yard. And right here's the filter housing. So I'm gonna go get a 24 millimeter. So I just grabbed the 15/16 because it was easier than to grab the 24 millimeter. So we gently unscrew it like this. Can you see down in here? Okay. See? Okay, so we have the old oil filter here. Just kind of gently pull it out. Okay. We got the new one here. You don't want to set that down. Okay, I put this one in the old box, not the old box, but the new box, of course, after I get my O-ring out. Yeah. Grab the O-ring, please. Okay, so I walk the O-ring off. And give me a little screwdriver for this. We're good. Okay, let's put a little oil on this here. So what we're going to do here, move up that oil, the O-ring. Make sure the threads are good and clear, of course. That's another thing. I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit. Okay, it's in the right seat right here, see it on the ring. I'm going to put another little bit of oil up on top of this one. And then right around here one more time. Kind of nice to actually have this oil filter on top and having to spend more time with oil spilling all over you. Okay, don't torque too much, it's just plastics you're dealing with. Okay, so we just got done tightening up the oil filter cap. We went and got a funnel. We're going to go down below again, tighten up the drain. So as you can see, we're doing pretty good as far as being done draining. I got that in there. Should I get it all cleaned up in there? Don't get this too tight, it will strip, so just put a little snug on it. There we go. Okay, so what I would normally do is I leave the oil here, and then, especially on a little taller vehicle like this, and I'll take and pull the bucket out after I start it and back it up, so I don't actually have to drag and spill oil everywhere. So let's go back upstairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this down. We do have a wheel chock and jack that we took out a few minutes ago. So on this funnel we can actually unscrew it. Just put this in here. So this takes 6 quarts of oil. $5.20. We're using synthetic here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is start it up, check the oil, see what's happening. Oil light's gone, we can check the oil. So you can see we're right about here on that dipstick, so we'll put a little bit more in. No, that's perfect all the way around. You can see it's right at the top of the mark. Okay, so put the cap back on. Thank you, Ethan, for cleaning that up for me. Put our lid back on. Usually we'll wash the vehicle. So you get the click right there in the hinges on it. So and then there's a spot here. Goes with it as well. So okay, oil's done. So remember, clean up your mess properly if you need to. We let these drip into a bucket for about 24 hours before we take them out. We use the 5/16 or a 24 millimeter to get the filter out, a 1/2 inch wrench or a 13 millimeter to get the drain plug out, and that's all there is to it. 6 quarts of oil later and a filter. We're all done. Thanks for joining us. And please remember to like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next project.